Hello everyone, my name is AKSHITHA, French first year CSC. My startup company is Eternal Infinity. Product present name Computer, product proposal name EcoClub. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product has said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, facial recognition fingerprint. Second one, can be used of touch computing. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name computer, futuristic product name EcoClub. Ideate, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one fingerprint, second one foldable keyboard, third one CCTV, fourth one biometric security. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor is advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.